So today in this video, we are going to see the switch statement inside the decision making. Okay. So switch statement is nothing but it is similar to the if else if statement, where instead of using the if else if condition, here we are going to use the cases. It is nothing but it will contain multiple blocks of code, and each block of code is called as cases. It will execute the each and every block based on the variable it is being switched. It is very easier to use, and it also enhances the readability of the program. That is the advantage of using the switch statement. Now let us open the notepad and see an example. So what is the first thing we have to do is we have to assign the public class. I'm giving the name as student implements. Student implements clonable. And next thing is we have to assign the void message, static void main. So here I am assigning the integer num is equal to 2. Okay. So next one is we are going to assign the switch statements. So switch is nothing but num. So it has to switch the cases based on the num. So first case I'm going to give is case 0. So what is the case 0 I am going to do is, once it is executed, it has to print the output statement as number is 0. So this is the first case I'm giving. And next one is it will take a break, and next it will move to the case 1. So here what it will do is it will just print the output system.out.println. It has to print the output as number is 1. All the examples we are seeing is the basic examples. And again, we are giving a break condition and default. So finally, it will print the output, which case is true, it will print that output. So it will print the num value. Clear? So this is the basic example for the switch statements. Now let's save this program. So we have to save it in our workspace. So I'm giving it as students.java. So okay, I have given students. So here also I'll just save it as students. So what is the next thing we have to do is we have to open command prompt. So first thing is we have to move to the workspace where we have saved the program. So I am just moving to the directory. So I have moved to the directory. So what we have to do is we have to run the program students.java. If there is no error, a class file will be created and it will come to the next loop. So it is executing the program to check if there is any errors. But we have got an error. Yeah. So it is telling that the case 1 I have given semicolon, right? So now move back to the program. I have given. Okay. So now let's save the program again and move back to the command prompt. Again, what we have to do is we have to run the program. So there is no error. So what we have to do is we have to run the program. That is Java space students. So what the output is 2. So I have given the integer number as 2. So what it will do is for each case, this is a case 1. So what it will do, it will just check the condition either it is true or false. If it is true, it will go back directly to the default and print the output, or else it will go back to the next condition and again it will move back to the other condition. So this is the basic example for the switch statements. In the next video, we will see the loop statements. Hope you are clear with this. Thank you. Have a nice day.